Greetings! In this course, we will see what operators, operands, and expressions are. Here we go! So what are operators? Java operators are special symbols that realize specific operations on 1, 2, or 3 operands. Then it sends the results. Many other operators exist in Java. So, what are operands? Operand is a term used to describe any item which is used by an operator. For instance, x and y are operands, while plus is an operator. An expression is a combination of operators and operands. Its value can be calculated and it always has a type. Very well, now we will explore the operators by using the code. We first open IntelliJ. Here we will type int result equals to 1 plus 2. Here the plus is the operator. Then we will make a comment. 2 slashes, and it should display it this way. A comment allows you to insert some text that will not be compiled nor interpreted. It is useful to explain what the source code does. Here we will display it. We add a plus, which is a concatenation. It allows us to concatenate character strings, meaning it will put them end to end. Now we do the addition. Result equals to result minus 1, for example. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now we will multiply, so result equals to result times 2. So 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. There are also modulos that allow you to have the rest of the division. So result equals to result %3. So 4%3, which is equal to 1. We also have incrementation operators. This kind of operator allows you to easily increase or reduce a value. For example, we do result equals to result plus 1. We can shorten this statement by writing result plus plus. The last operation's value gave us 1. Here we write 1 plus 1 equals to 2. We are going to use the last value, which is 2. So result two minus 1 equals to 1. We have the assignment operators too. These ones help simplifying operations. For instance, instead of doing result equals to result plus 2, We can just do result plus equals to 2. And it is the same for subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. It was all for this video. See you next time.